ハッピーニューイヤー。受験も英検もインタートーマスで直前対策を。
I will be talking about England's Cheese Rolling Festival. The Cheese Rolling Festival is an annual event held at Coopers Hill near Gloucester, England. It occurs on the late spring bank holiday and attracts participants from around the world. The main event is a race in which contests chase a large wheel of cheese down a very steep hill. The first person to reach the bottom wins the cheese. The festival is thought to have begun in the early 19th century, although some historians suggest it may have roots in older springtime rituals connected to fertility and the changing seasons. The hill's steep and uneven terrain makes the race extremely dangerous. Participants often tumble, roll, or collide while running, but the thrill and tradition encourage many to compete despite the risks. In addition to the race, the festival includes local music, food, and community activities. The spectators line the hill to watch and cheer, creating a lively atmosphere. The event highlights both athletic skill and local culture, and it has become a popular attraction for tourists as well as participants. Its unusual nature, long history, and festive environment make Cheese Rolling Festival a distinctive example of British folk traditions.